lost your connection with this wonderful earth that we are on. With so much going on in the last few months, in the year 2020, so many of us have lost our sense of connection to the earth and are no longer grounded. So we're going to learn a very simple, rapid release to get yourself grounded again. My name is Kelly Goetz. I'm an Eden's Energy Medicine clinical practitioner. I'm on faculty with the Eden Method program, where I have the privilege of teaching other practitioners this great work. And so what we're going to learn today is called the Easy Rapid Relief. So what we're first and foremost going to do is we are going to hook up. You've seen me do this in other videos. I'll place it in the section below. I'll pop it up here. So you're going to take your middle finger and put it in your belly button. Take your other middle finger, and we are going to just take a moment. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through the nose. And we are looking for that yawn, which I have. All right, so place your hands so that we have our hands at the side of our waist, and we're going to turn our hands so the thumbs are facing forward. Now, we are going to push the energy down along our hips and down the sides of our legs. So we are just going to slowly draw our legs and the energy in our legs down to the earth plane. We're going to do it slow and firm. Notice how that feels. I like to do this after a good workout. When you get down to the bottom, you're going to squeeze the bunions. This happens to be where Spleen Meridian begins and Bladder Meridian ends. And so we're going to squeeze that. Now bring your hands to the inside of your legs and slowly draw your hands up to the inside of your legs, where you will fan out. And we're going to give that a thump. Do you need to see it again? All right, let's hook up. Take a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Wait for that yawn. Here comes mine. All right, put your hands on your waist, thumbs towards the front of your body. Slowly draw your hands down your hips along the sides of your legs. Stay with me. We're going all the way down, sides of our legs. When we get down to our feet, our thumbs are at the Spleen Meridian and our fingers are at the Bladder Meridian. We're going to give that a nice little squeeze, drawing your hands to the inside of your legs, where we are going to trace our hands up the Spleen Meridian. And you have just learned how to get reconnected to this earth and get grounded. This is an easy, rapid relief for those places where we don't feel grounded in our life. I hope you use it often. Thank you for learning with me, and until I see you again, I'm wishing you an infinite love and gratitude day. Bye-bye.